Abunge rwari ni baretire na mbere kwariria na Kuthuuja Muswanda KIGIINA yurayuretete muthutira y'umurito kuma kiria kari na Kenya bonthe bakiuria abunge oteaniria Muswanda abunge mwanya ibethira bakiruta moni yona nyumeni abunge manelea bana bethira bakiringa kura no kuluki Muswanda kiritho mariyeli na bangi na bo yanere 15 bakiriana na Muswanda Boniface Mongera na rethetie kirimantu igie Kuthuuja Muswanda na tuthuranira ribotie
NAJU Muswanda wa Finance Bill ya mwaka 2024 na ndijo netenkindo second reading hari abunge magana jari na bana baringite kura ko JWITE kiria abunge gana lemwe 15 baringite kura ekojogoithia.
I now order for the bill to be read.
Kumantu kwegoro abunge betito bagita moni jao BAMWE pakejo kwata Muswanda MBARU bangi na obereka NAJU na ntagaro wenge bangi ja mheshimiwa Kirimango chino sentiment urugita titiro yejo kwata MBARU akiringa about 10 mubungo gitu kyo bunge kelangata bona jalango urano eriria kedro yejo kwata MBARU kinyawe eringa about 10 na kurega NAJU.
What I was told to oppose the bread taxation, bondas, renters essentials, cooking well, and avocados and the rest, the agricultural outputs. After the amendments, I don't see any reason to oppose it. So I thereby support it with amendments.
Out here is the Gen Z generation, whom I talk to every day. I interact with them on Twitter, TikTok, and everywhere. When most of you will have gone back to the villages, we will be with them here in Nairobi. The question will still be there. And most of you know, I'm the friend to the president, and I spoke to him, and he knows very well that this is my stand.
MURUTIRA kumakire maandamano jatindite connection de shande ugoro ejore muskumojo munene abunge baba inge bamwe bejo pinga bonene mono bange nabo bakiuga nthuke mbethe ire kuandamana kinyete komimbiende ne Muswanda ne Jojo.
I took my lunch break yesterday and my lunch break today to return all the calls I got to my phone, and I was asking them, you are telling me to reject. Tell me what you want to reject in this bill. Then they say, we have a KATATU. I am asking them, what clause is adding additional taxes and difficulty of doing business? They say, we have a KATATU.
This bill is obnoxious, is diabolical. This bill is pungent and choking to the lives of Kenyans.
Parliament has actually been put under siege. And this is creating unnecessary tension in the country. Under Sieke. And this is causing unnecessary tension in the country. I said in the morning that we are not under a state of emergency. And this country is not a police state.
Kenge na wakagita kambere burukire isurende goro Kenya. Ntuko na rote mugeni thiro agete kerwa kire speakers garari. No nto bonto bura kwerekanire ko no gwa bonene bokwithukira kwa abunge bendrete angogishao.
Entry and access to the galleries is not a right of anybody. It is to the discretion of not just Mr. Speaker, but the Sergeant at Arms and his team. And their advice this afternoon was that they desired to keep the galleries unoccupied. And that's being a security matter to which I'm not an expert. I've given them the benefit of doubt.
Rutero rwangwatanirwa azimio nabo nyuma kwethura bakiombwa bonde na kajoka mwe bashitire kwethura bakenderia koro arinya nkoro kibakathite maandamano jarajenderete.
I want to encourage Generation Z. Where Baba has left, this battle must not stop.
Going forward, you can see how Parliament is operating. It's about voting, it's about numbers, and I'm shocked there are members on our side who even voted for the bill. That shocked me even more than anything else.
Hauntu kwenjumene kimeke twetete kirenkendo that reading kana committee of the whole house mogaruku kana amendments ya kedra za kiretwa nyakwetho za kiariru nyakuringiro kura ogaruku kana clause kwa clause na kulingana na ntumo kumakiro business speaker korobwa ntukwenarwa na ati mogaruku jama ingijo mbite kwethro jeretwa ontubure nande shughuli je kwariria mogaruku jaja nyakuringira kura ikajukia kanyaga kainge na kwenombe kyobonene kurije kedro eringwa aidha ntukwenjumini ogoro kana ntukwe Jumatano rokere nkireportera Ntoshero TV kumaje karone bya bunge kengi nangine ne kinene kimusho Nairobi mbita Boniface Mongera.